dear students, today we will do our work in Little Hands pattern book and page number is now students in page number is 48, okay, and today's date is 29 April 2021, okay. Now here rainbow trace, okay. Let's start the rainbow trace. And now, dear students, here pencil trace. So put the pencil on this point and make like a mountain, okay, and trace the line, okay. Up and down curve pattern look like a mountain, okay. Look here, dear students. In this pattern, start the third line, okay. So put the pencil on this point and go up, touch the second line and go up and touch the first line and then go down and touch a third line. Then again go up, okay, and when touch the first line, then go down and then when the touch the third line, go up, okay, and trace this pattern, okay. So dear students, this pattern look like a flowing of the water of river, okay. Dear students, are you understand this? Okay. This pattern look like a flowing of water of the look like a. Dear students, this pattern look like a flowing of water to the river, okay. ये नदी के बहते पानी के जैसा पैटर्न है. So we draw this pattern using by 3 lines, okay, and you also complete this work in your pattern book, okay, and page number is 46, okay. Thank you.